All right, Ledesma, I'm coming at you with another Free Choice Friday. This week we're going to build a gumdrop geodesic dome. Now, this is a STEM challenge. It stands for science, technology, engineering, and math. And don't tell anybody, but I stole this idea from Mrs. Bagat. Just don't tell her that. Okay?
Hey, Mr. Pola, got you right there. You cheated.
Oh no!
Your idea got stolen by Mr. Pola.
All right. Well, maybe Mrs. Bagat, since I stole this and you're the expert on it, would you help us walk through how to do this particular challenge?
Yeah, students last year totally enjoyed this one, so it would be a great idea for students to try it this year again. So let's go to step one. You do need gumdrops and toothpicks for this project.
Okay.
And with the first step, you only need five of them, five toothpicks and five gumdrops. So you connect them like a pentagon in a single layer as it's shown.
All right. All right. And then what about step two, Mrs. Bagat?
So with step two, on each of those gumdrops, you put two more toothpicks in a V shape. All right, so it's a V shape. Eventually, you'll know how we attach them.
Oh, and they're pointing upwards there, huh?
Yes.
Oh, okay. And then for step number three, you're going to take five gumdrops and attach them to the top of the new toothpicks, right? And you're putting two toothpicks into each one, right, to form triangles there. And that's the idea with a geodesic dome is they're made mostly out of triangles as they go upward, right? Okay.
Yeah.
And you should end up with five triangles that way. Step number four says attach a toothpick between the top points of the triangles that you just made, connecting the triangles together. This uses five toothpicks and will create another pentagon shape, and this time at the top of the dome. All right, what about step number five here, Mrs. Bagat?
And then you need five more toothpicks to put it on the top pentagon gumdrops, and you lead them into connecting to one gumdrop on top.
Okay, and then step number six, you can gently press down on it. It should be pretty strong if you build it right. Isn't that correct, Mrs. Bagat?
It should be. If they did it right, it should be. And I would want them to try putting different items on top and see how it goes.
Ooh, that's an interesting thought. You know, it is close to Halloween. They could also use some of those kind of nasty little pumpkin candy corns that kids like to eat around this time. Actually, nobody really eats those, but everybody seems to have them around now. So they could
They
use
are
that.
fun to have.
They
They're
could also
fun.
use marshmallows, right? I think instead of gumdrops.
Marshmallow should work. I think
Yeah.
so too. I think
Okay.
some students did use it last year.
I have a couple pictures. My child in Mrs. Bagat's class last year actually did make one of these. So she had a geodesic dome right here, and she actually made it. My son then decided he liked it, and he made one as well. Okay, and then you can see here that she was even pushing down on it to see how strong it could be. So yeah, that's the basic idea. I hope you guys build this. I hope you give Mrs. Bagat full credit because I had no idea she was coming.
Yes, Mr. Pro. I like to see some of the samples if they can load up the picture.
Ooh, I'll tell you what, if we do make one, please load it up on the Kid Blog or some other place, and you can email it into your teacher or load it on the Kid Blog and post it, or however you post pictures for your class and show them to us because we would definitely be interested to see that. I'll also include a video that shows you how to build one step by step. Right after this, I'll put it in the bio for this video. All right. Thank you, Mrs. Bagat. Have a great day. And I promise not to steal any more of your work.
No, and good luck to all of them building this. Have fun.
All right. Bye.
Bye.